How can you make your coffee healthy? Thinking about putting on another pot of coffee? Are you one of those people who loves downing sugar and creamers with every cup of coffee? While this may be great for the taste, it may not be so for the waistline. Here are the ways to make your coffee healthier. If you like your coffee sweet and if you use regular sugar and you want to avoid unnecessary calories, try switching to a small amount of honey, nectar, date paste or even stevia. Try adding some spices to your coffee. Spices are not just a great way to add flavor, but they can provide surprising health benefits. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, helps to improve LDL or bad cholesterol. Nutmeg is a very good source of manganese. Cocoa powder is a good source of protein, potassium and zinc. However, it is also high in saturated fat, so use it sparingly and go for the unsweetened kind. Cardamom is a good source of vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, potassium and zinc. Coffee beans naturally contains caffeine. It is in many beverages and even in small amount in chocolates. But while caffeine is safe, it can be harmful if it is overconsumed in a short period. The milder adverse effects of caffeine includes palpitations, agitations, tremors, heartburn and diarrhea. There are other more serious adverse neurologic and cardiac effects if too much caffeine is consumed and can even lead to death. So be conscious of the amount of coffee you consume in a day. If you have any questions, type them in the comments below or write to us at care@humanhealth.com. Subscribe to Human Health's YouTube channel for more health related videos.